Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can easily change your password for your Coinbase account. If you're frequently worried about the security of your Coinbase account, then changing your password is a great idea to begin. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn the process, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser and go to the address box at the top. Type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account if necessary. Once you're logged into your account, go and tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner from the home page. In the pop-up that appears, select Settings. Click the Security tab from the top of the screen, and right where it says Password, click on Change Password button. Enter your old password for your Coinbase account in the first text box. That is your recent password, and head over to the next field where it says New Password. Type in the new password that you'd like to change to. You can double check your new password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. Now, confirm the new password on the next field as well by typing it again. Make sure both of your passwords in the last two text boxes matches. You'll need to enter the two-step verification code that has been texted on your mobile phone. And finally, click Confirm. Your password has been changed successfully. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password that you just set. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.